What's the meaning of aim? Aim. 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 The word aim refers to the objective or purpose that a person or organization is trying to achieve. It is the target or goal towards which action is directed. The result of having a clear aim is that it helps individuals and teams to stay focused, motivated, and committed to achieving their desired outcomes. When people have a well-defined aim, they are better able to make decisions and prioritize their time and resources effectively. Ultimately, having a clear aim allows individuals and organizations to work towards success with greater clarity, direction, and purpose.